In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email events in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a clear professional email about an event right from your calendar. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign in to the account that holds the event. Give the page a second to load your calendars. If you manage multiple calendars, glance at the left sidebar to make sure the correct one is visible so you don't miss the event you want. Now locate the event you need to email. You can use day, week, or month view, whichever makes it easiest to spot. If the event is far in the future, the mini calendar on the left is a quick way to jump to the right date. Click the event to open its details. You'll see a small pop-up or side panel with the event title, date, and time. Look for the mail or envelope icon, often labeled Email Guests. If you don't see it, make sure you clicked a calendar event and not a task or reminder, since only events support emailing like this. Click the mail icon to open the email window. At the top, you'll see an option to send a copy to yourself. Check this if you want a record in your inbox, which is helpful for tracking what you sent and when. Next, add the recipients. If the event already has guests, those addresses may be pre-filled. You can add more people by typing an email address or a name from your contacts. Take a quick moment to confirm you're sending to the right list, especially if the message includes updates or logistics. Add a subject that's easy to recognize. A good pattern is the event name plus the date, such as Team Check-in, May 18th, 10 o'clock a.m. Clear subjects help recipients find your message later. In the message area, write your note. Keep it concise and focused on what attendees need to know. Join links, room locations, arrival instructions, or last-minute changes. If you're coordinating across time zones, state the time zone explicitly to avoid confusion. The email will include a link back to the calendar event, so recipients can review details or RSVP there. When everything looks good, click Send. Google Calendar will deliver the email to the recipients you selected, and if you chose to send yourself a copy, you'll see it arrive in your inbox for reference. That's it. You open Google Calendar, selected the event, used the mail icon, set your recipients, wrote a clear subject and message, and sent it off. Use this workflow anytime you need to share details or updates without leaving your calendar.